Dear Diary. It is Friday, one of my favorite days of the week, and we're doing a very special on-location diary. We're in the Kink Live studio, and today we're hosting Benjamin Booker. He's also from Florida, which I'm excited about. He went to the University of Florida, so we have that in common. And hopefully he's not as, I hope his performance isn't marred by the worry about the hurricane that might hit Florida. I know that I'm very concerned about it right now. My dad's staying, and a lot of my family and friends are staying, so that's really on the top of my mind, really hoping everything's okay. I know that they got supplies and they battened down the hatches, and just keep my fingers crossed it's not as bad as the news. I'm hoping the news is overhyping, so later on we can go, oh, it wasn't as bad as we thought. Plans for the weekend: Gator games canceled, so I won't be going to the Portland Gator Club. Let's see, maybe some Top Golf. I talked about that yesterday. And I'm sitting down for this because I'm so sore. I've been walking like a duck all day, but I'm still working out. Yeah, Zumba yesterday. Trying to keep up the momentum, trying to keep up with my husband, who will be in town, which is very exciting. As you can see, the people are filing in for the performance and probably wondering why I'm sitting here talking about myself. So, have a great weekend. I'll talk to you tomorrow.